you read the lupang hinirang. What is this?
Lupang hiniwang bayang magiliw
What is this? Magiliw.
Pelas ng
Silanganan.
sila what is that?
Silanganan.
Silangan. Next, alab ng puso. Sure, what's that? Dib mo buhag. What's that, mommy?
This one, not yet done. What is this?
Buhay.
Yes.
That. Why that?
Oh,
Already
again.
done. Already done.
Faster.
Done already.
No, go.
You said here only.
Oh, faster.
This the last one.
Yes.
Lupang hiniwang diyan ke mo gintik so
Manlulupid.
what is that?
Manlulupid.
I don't know. Lupig that di ka pasisi
Il.
this.
Go ahead. Oh, what's next?
I don't, what's that? Why you said this?
Almost. Go ahead.
So slow. You said this only
Go,
now.
go,
Why
go.
all
Stop talking faster. You
Why
finish.
sa got at bantok
Very good.
sa si moy at sa dagit mong bagha. What's that, ma'am?
Bughaw, not baghaw. Bughaw. It's Tagalog. Bughaw, not bag.
Bag.
Bughaw.
May dilag ang tula
Very good.
at awit sa haklay
Not lay. La.
la
Pagla. Paglayang. Not paglayang. Paglayang.
paglay
Paglayang.
paglayang that
This. What is this? Last one.
minamahal.
Very good.
I don't like